Anyone?
Yes, sir. Can I?
Hello,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Hello. Hi, Nabha.
Sir, queen has 9 points. The
Okay.
queen's value is 9 points.
Mm-hmm.
It is more effective in the center as it covers 27 squares in the
Very
center,
good. Very good.
and in the border it covers 21 squares where it is less effective.
Okay. Very good. What else you know about queen?
The home squares,
Mm-hmm. What is the
the
home
white
square of the queen?
the white queen home square is D1, and
Mm-hmm.
the black queen's home square is D8.
Very good. Okay. Can the queen jump like a knight?
No.
No, the queen cannot jump like a knight. Okay. Can the queen move like a rook?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Can the queen move like a bishop?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Can the queen move like a pawn?
Yes.
Okay. Pawn cannot go back. Can the queen go back?
Yes.
Yes, it can because of rook
Very
and
good.
bishop.
Correct. Correct. Okay. Very good. So kids, you know everything about the queen now. Okay. Now today what
Yes.
we will do, we will quickly learn about the king, the only remaining piece. Okay. We have already learned about the rook, the knight, the bishop, the pawn, the queen. Okay.
Yes,
So the only remaining piece is the king. Okay. So what we will do, we will quickly let me share my screen quickly. Yeah. So that we can learn about the king today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, kids. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
King.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, because it's a king, right? Because it is a
Yes, sir.
king. Okay. There is only one king. Okay. Just like even queen is also only one. Okay. On each side. Correct. The home square for white king is E1. Correct.
And for black is E8.
Correct. Home square for black king is E8. Okay. How does the king move? By the way, king can move in any
It can
direction.
move only one square.
Yeah, king can move in any direction,
But one square.
only
one square.
one
One square.
square at a time. Okay.
Yes.
However, there is exception actually. We will discuss that exception at the time of learning a special move. Okay. I'll talk about it later. But for now, just from movement perspective, king can move only one square. Okay, kids. Can the king capture the other pieces? Yes. King can capture any piece. King can capture any piece which is not supported by other piece of same color. Okay. Example. Now see, this is the king. Okay. So first thing, as I said, king can move any number of squares. Okay. So now when it is in the
king can move only one.
Sorry, any direction, one square.
Yes.
Okay. So when it is in the home square, it can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Okay. Any of the any one of the 5 places when it is in the home square. Okay. When it is
Yes,
in the
sir.
corner, it can go only 3 squares. Okay. However, if it is not in the corner, it can go at least 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. On the border, anywhere you keep except the corners. Okay. Except the corners, anywhere on the border, it will cover the 5 squares. Okay. In the corners, it will cover 3 squares. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Can king come in the between?
Sorry.
Can king come in the between?
Can king come?
In the center, I mean, in the center.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
Yes, it can. We are moving one by one, right? See, now I am coming in the center. Okay. And when it is in the center, it will cover 8 squares. The maximum number of squares are 8.
Yes.
Okay. So just like other pieces, king is also most effective in the center. Okay. But
Yes, but it can move only one. It
yeah,
has only one space to move.
yeah, only one space to move. But as I said, king is king, right? So
Yes.
in the beginning, you cannot bring the king in the game.
Yes.
Okay. King is more effective in the end game. Okay. King is more effective in the end game. Why? Because at that point of time, most of the pieces are already gone. Okay. Just to give example. Okay. Suppose there is only one pawn left. Okay. And there is another king. Okay. And suppose he also has some knight. Okay. Now you want to bring this pawn here. Okay. As I said earlier, if you can make the pawn reach over there, you can promote it to any piece of your choice.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
When we make it to the eighth rank, so we can change it to any piece, right?
Correct. So that is called as pawn promotion. We will learn about it after this. Okay. So for now, just remember that if you are able to make the pawn reach over there. Okay. However, if you just make the pawn reach, what will happen? Either the knight or the king will capture it. Correct. So what you need to do, you need to bring your king, okay, to support the pawn. Now, if there is a pawn coming here, okay, can any one of them dare to touch? Suppose he comes, you give the check. Okay, can he capture? No, because there is a support of the king.
Yes.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you the importance of the king. Okay, although the king cannot run like the queen or bishop or rook. Okay, but at least with the help of, I mean, to support any piece, whether it is a pawn or suppose you want to checkmate the opponent's king. Okay, suppose this is the situation. Okay, now if you want to checkmate this king, you can directly place this queen here. Because there is a support, king cannot capture. Okay, and because this is a queen now, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the king, opponent king cannot go to any of these squares because of the queen. Okay, so this situation is called as checkmate. Okay, we will learn about it later on. Okay, but for now, just remember that, just try to understand that because of our king, okay, because of the king, the queen could dare to give the checkmate from here. Suppose the king is here. Now, will you dare to give check? What will happen? You will capture it,
King
right?
will capture our queen.
Correct. So, even though the queen is powerful, but if there is no support to the queen, he cannot checkmate. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is about the king. King is more effective in the end game. Okay. What else do I need to talk about the king? Yeah, we talked about the king's position. Okay, in the center, it is more effective. Okay, in the corner, it can control only 3 squares, and any other square, it can control 5 squares. Okay, this is about the king. I think this is enough for now about the
Okay,
king.
sir.
Okay, so now what we will do, kids, let's do the practice. Okay, so as I said, we learned about all the pieces. Okay, be it a rook,
Yes,
be it a knight, be it a bishop. So just from revision perspective, we will solve some puzzles. Okay, so let us start with Nabha. Nabha, you want to capture this star. How will you do
Yeah.
that?
I will just go straight.
No, but which address? What is the address of the star?
Oh, E7.
E7. Very good. Next, Swarit, how will you do this?
So first I will go to C5,
Very good.
then G5.
Nice. Okay. Nishka.
Yes, sir. Sir, first I'll go to A4,
Very good.
then to G4,
Nice.
and then G3.
E3. Very good. Okay. Nabha.
First I will go to H7.
Good.
पटकन माझीट हो जाता.
Sorry.
And then G7
G7.
and G7.
We are on G7, right?
Yeah. Sorry. G1
G1.
and G8
G8.
and F8.
F8. Very good. Okay. Swarit.
Yes, sir. First, I will go to A4,
Okay.
then H4. No,
Correct. H4. Correct. Next.
then I will go to G7. Then I will go to G3.
Very good. Nishka.
Yes, sir. Sir, first I'll go to F2, the F3 rook.
Okay.
Then I'll go to F7. Then G7.
G7 or B7?
B7, B7.
B7.
Then G7.
Correct.
And then G4.
Very good.
Now second rook, first D1
D1.
and then D5.
D5. Very good. So, kids, you are good at the rook movement. Okay. Now let's go to the next piece. Bishop. Nabha.
So,
Yes. How will you capture this? Which star will you capture first?
B5, sorry, D5
D5.
and so I will go to G8.
G8. Very good. Okay, Swarit.
Yes, sir. First, I will go to A2,
Good.
then B1,
B1,
then D3,
D3,
then E2.
will you go
No,
for
no,
E2
sir.
or B5?
B5, B5.
B5,
Then E2,
E2,
then D1.
D1. Very good. Nishka.
Yes, sir. Um, Sir, first I'll go to G7.
G7. Okay.
Yes, sir. No. Wait. A1.
Okay. A1.
Then I'll go to G7.
Hmm.
Then I'll come to this H6.
Hmm.
Then I'll capture the E3 one.
Hmm.
Then I'll take the B6 one.
Okay.
But I'll lose the C star.
Okay. Think again.
Okay, sir, I got it. B6 first.
Correct.
Then I'll go to E3.
Hmm.
Then to H6.
No, you should go for C2, C1 first.
Yeah. Yes, C1.
C1,
Then H6.
H6,
Then G7
G7,
and A1.
A1. Very good.
Thank
Yes, Swarit.
Yes, sir. First, I will go to First, I will go to B3,
Mm-hmm.
then A4,
A4,
then C2,
C2,
then B1,
B1,
then D3,
D3,
then E2.
E2. Very good. Nabha.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How will you capture the stars?
So, I will first go to 3, B3,
D3. Okay.
and so I will go now to E4,
E4. Correct.
and another I will go to B5,
D5. Okay. Okay. How about these stars? How will you capture those?
so I will now go to E3, E5, E3 again,
E3,
and B4,
D4,
and e5.
E5. Very good. Okay, Nishka.
Yes, sir. Sir, for the C3 one, I'll go to F6.
Okay.
Then to E7.
Okay.
And then to G4. I mean H4. H.
Okay. But then this is remaining, right?
Oh. Yes.
These
Sir,
two
again.
like this,
Yeah, again.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's go fast. So F6,
Now to then H4.
H4,
Then E7.
E7,
Then A3.
A3, correct. Okay, what about this?
Sir, first I'll go to F5.
F5,
Then C2.
correct.
Then to H7.
H7,
And then G8.
very good.
Thank you.
Okay, kids, now we are coming to the queen. So, Nabha, how will you capture this?
Yes, sir. So, sir, I forgot how queen works.
Okay, who will tell, Swarit or Nishka?
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Sir, to tell the grid or I have to explain the move?
Yeah, so how the queen moves first? Can you tell the answer?
Yeah. Queen can move like a rook, like vertically and horizontally. Then bishop can it can move like a bishop, like diagonally, and a
Correct.
pawn, like we can count the pawn in the rook for
Correct.
one step only.
Correct. Okay, so Nabha, this is how the queen moves. Okay, horizontal
sir.
horizontal and vertical like the rook. Okay, and then diagonal like a bishop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell which star will you capture first?
I will capture first the E5.
E5. Okay. Now
E5.
E5 we are already
Sir,
at,
I
right?
cannot get your voice. Yes. So, after that, we will go to E8.
B8 it is. Okay. B for Bombay 8. You don't need to go to E8, right? Because it works diagonal as well, right? Nava. So you don't need to come
Yes.
here and then capture. Okay. You can directly
Okay, sir.
capture it. Yeah. Okay. Swarit.
Yes, sir.
Pay attention to these puzzles as well, Nabha. Okay. When other kids are telling, you should pay attention. Nabha. Yes, Swarit. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. First, I will go to F2,
Very good.
then F8,
Very nice.
then A3,
E3.
then H3.
S3. Very good. Okay. Now do one thing, kids. Okay. When you are telling to capture, okay, that time you can say queen as bishop. Okay. Or if it is capturing horizontal or vertical, say queen as rook. Okay. So tell the first one, sorry. Now this queen will act as what?
Bishop.
Bishop. And capture what?
F2.
F2. Very good. So like a bishop, it captured f2. Now, how will it
Now
act?
like a rook
Correct,
f8.
correct. Next,
Then like a bishop a3.
very good,
And like a rook h3.
very good, very nice. Okay, Nishka.
Yes, sir. Sir, queen like a bishop to f1,
Very good,
then like a rook to f8,
very good,
then queen like a bishop to h6,
very nice.
then queen like a rook to d6,
D6, correct.
then like a bishop to a3.
A3. Here anything will do. Okay, okay, kids.
Yeah.
Because
Okay, sir.
from
So
both
I'll
sides
take
it
the
can go in
a3
here.
and then
Right.
a3 and then g3,
A3 like a bishop and G3 like
and
a
then g3
rook.
like a rook.
Very good. Okay, Nabha again.
So,
Yes, Nabha.
so now queen will go to g8.
Okay, G8. What next?
And after that, it will go to g1.
Okay. So you are coming back.
And so it will go now to the b3.
B3. How will it go to B3 now? From here,
Sorry, sir. So,
it moves like this, right? Or it can go
yes.
like this. Or it can go like this. Or like
Yes,
this.
so now it will go to a1.
A1. Think
Yes,
again.
sir.
Nabha, think properly. See, we need to capture all the stars without repeating any moves, okay? Or without going to the vacant square. So how will you do that?
So now I will go to the h2.
S2 you cannot directly go, right? Okay, who will tell Nishka, Swarit? How will you do that, kids?
Sir, I'll go to g1.
Okay.
I mean, sorry, no, not g1, g8. Sorry.
G8.
Then g1.
Okay.
Then g2.
G2.
Then h5.
F2,
Then
H5.
b5. Then b5.
Okay, B5.
Then d3, but I'm not getting the a2 star.
Correct. So think again, kids.
So, so first I will go to g8.
Okay.
Then g1.
Hmm.
then H2,
Okay.
then A2,
Okay. So your 3 stars are remaining yet. Okay, Nishka, Nabha, sorry. Think again, kids. You can do it, kids. Okay. I can tell you the answer upfront. Okay. But I want you guys to think. Okay.
okay. Sir, I think so. The star will go to the queen will go to the B3.
Are you saying D3? Nabha, are you getting
Yes,
confused? A
D3.
and D? Okay, but
Yeah, I sometimes get confused in it.
how will it go? It cannot go, right? Because
Yeah.
it will either go this side or this side, correct? Queen moves like this, correct? So initially it
Queen
can
can go up and come down.
correct, but it cannot come here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, kids. Anyways, let me tell you then. Okay, see, this is how it will move. It will capture the G1 star first, then it will go to G8, capture this, the H2, the H5, then B5, and then correct.
Yes, sir.
It is looking for.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so
G1, then G8,
G8,
then
A2,
A2, then H2, then
H5,
H5, B B5, and then D3.
correct. Okay, now how will it be, kids?
So it will go to H1.
D1 first, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sorry.
D1,
D1 followed by H1,
H1,
followed by
then
H4,
H4, then F6,
F6.
no, F2 first,
F2, the next
F2,
F6,
F6, then
then
A6,
A6,
come
then
back to
G6,
G6, and then
and then G.
G8, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell now, kids. Yes,
D1,
D1, very good.
Because
H1,
H1, very good.
H1,
then H4,
and
H4,
then
then
F4,
F2,
and
F2,
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 F6, F6,
F6,
G6, no,
A6,
A6, then G6, then G8.
G6,
correct. Very good. Very good, kids. Now
you,
the
sir.
king. How will you do this now?
But sir, the king can move only one time, right?
Yeah, so you can take it in 3 steps. That's okay. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how the king will move. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
D4, D5, and then capture the star at E6. Okay. Now tell, how will you do that?
So I will go first.
Yes,
E2.
Nabha, Nabha, E2, E3,
And then E3,
D3,
and then D3,
C2. C2.
D3 is done. Now
And
C2, right?
C-
2.
C2.
Very good. Okay. Yes, Nishka and Sorit. Nishka, you tell about this 3 stars. Sorit will tell for these 3 stars. Okay. So which
Okay,
one?
sir.
Yes, Nishka
First,
first.
I'll capture the D6.
D6,
Then C5,
C5,
and then B5.
B5. Okay, Swarit.
First, I will go to C4,
C4,
then D3,
D3. Correct.
then E3,
E3,
F3,
F3,
then G4.
G4. Very good. Now the remaining one is knight. Knight goes 2.5 squares, kids. Okay. So Nabha,
sir.
Nabha will go first.
Yes, sir. So full knight will go to the C5
Very good.
and then to the B7.
D7. Very good. Yes, Nishka.
Yes, sir. Mm. Sir, first I'll go to C3,
C3,
then to E2,
E2,
then to D4,
D4,
then sir to F3, then to G5, then F7, and then H8.
very good. Okay, Swarit.
Yes, sir. So first, I will go to D5,
Very good.
then F4,
F4,
then D5,
D5,
then B6,
B6, and
then D7.
D7. Okay, kids. So we will stop here, kids. Okay. So we solved all the puzzles related to different pieces. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
tomorrow
Yes,
onwards,
sir.
we will start the new topic. Okay. So we learned about the chessboard, all the chess pieces, how those moves. Okay. And
Yes,
how,
sir.
how and where they are
You
effective.
tell
Okay.
we gonna Sir,
Okay.
you tell we gonna learn quantum motion.
Yeah. So we will take up that in the next session. Okay, kids. So
So,
bye
sir,
bye,
will
kids.
you share the recording on the Saturday?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Bye,
Yeah.
sir.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you.